Day 88. Let's get right into it. Okay. So just for a update, this is the performance stats. Average is 2 to 5. We're 50-50 right now. 3 trades, 3 losses. Last week 57% win rate. So yeah, I mean we are doing pretty good, to be fair. Profit factor 435. I am looking to obviously have this a little higher due to obviously trades. I don't even remember all the trades I took. Yeah, I 25th. Yeah, so I lost. I was like down 700, and then I obviously flipped that to being up 1300 because I'm a fucking gold. But I was just looking at the market. I'm learning the motion module. Riley, Boha, Brotha, I think. I'm learning his model real quick. It's basically like, pretty simple. But that's what I was doing right now. Watch the first video. We do have we respect this order block if you see here, bro. I'm just like looking at, we came in a long way. Crazy short right there, order block. Literally right here, another order block form. Tapped in, went up even higher. Tapped in right here, order block even higher. You could say we even respected this fair value gap. You see, we went there, filled a candle, and we went even lower. So yeah, could have caught that move, but this is not really an extension. We had no extensions here, to be fair. The only extension, obviously we had was, to be fair, that was a crazy extension. If you bought in somewhere here, but there's just no confluence to buy right there, to be fair. Put a vertical. I mean, I guess you could say order block tapped in, all the way down here, and then, entry right here. That could have been a good ass entry, right here. Right here, and then stops below this low, and then you have a 2 to 4. Obviously, of course, this is a crazy pull that's obviously past all-time highs, but obviously you could take a 1 to 5, which is obviously even less riskier. We do have a break. What is this? These are our highs. It's kind of disgusting. Yeah, we could have entered off the 15 also. I mean, say if this fair value gap kind of, I mean, not too worried about that. That was, I think, Christmas, so. But yeah, equal highs on equal candles, as we can see literally right there. Equal, which is, obviously we're looking to probably sweep out those highs. Let's go look at NASDAQ. I haven't been trading NASDAQ a lot. Wow, chop. Due to, obviously, because, we had mid-ass price action for the past, for a long time. So we are probably looking to maybe tap into this fair value gap over the week. We do have this that it got tapped into. If we had this order block that could, my view wanted to tap into. Fill this. Might be looking to fill this. Might be looking at this order block as well. That's crazy. That fair value gap right there is the order block. So we might actually be looking to push down here. This could be like a, well, all the way down here. And then we have just like that. It's a 1 to 2 6. It's like very mid, obviously. I wouldn't say this is how market opens. Obviously, have some confluence. So who knows? Maybe we're what are our all-time highs? Is that all-time highs? climb all the way back to all-time highs. Throw the magnet on. I just like knowing, to be fair, that we are looking at all-time highs. We're not too far from all-time highs. Well, how far are we? 3%. Obviously, that is like in one day. You know, obviously, we're probably not looking out. We might be looking at the sweep these because these are like equal highs, to be fair. So we might be, to be honest, you know, off market opens on Sunday. We might be looking at to sweep these highs. Very probable highs to sweep out, just because we do. It looks like we have a fair value gap, to be fair, that, you know, hasn't been filled. So we might be looking to, you know, obviously take that out. Honestly, that could be a good ass long. To be fair, you have that, and then you probably have your low or your stop loss either on one of these lows. You could obviously have it on that one. Just depends how much you're looking to risk or under this order block. It's obviously up to you. I would probably have it under the order block just to be safe. But that just depends on how much, you know, you're willing to risk, how much you can risk. All that, you know, matters. But yeah. Haven't been on NASDAQ in a while. Haven't backtested NASDAQ in a minute. High time frame SMT. Do we have a high time frame SMT? I'm looking to probably take shorts. $15 cons. Obviously, we're probably looking to take out this. Crazy ass trade. Hi. That there. Stops above that fair value gap. We do have another fair value gap that we might be looking to take out. Obviously, I think we're going to take out half cons right about there. Let it play out. We're on the 30-minute, which is kind of ass. We get stopped out. So let's see what happens. We take out these highs. We took out those highs. Yep. Wasn't a bad shout though. I mean, bro. Let's go to the next day. We have a fat ass gap. We have that gap on the 1 hour. Yeah, we might be looking to fill that. We also have a. Do we have any 15-minute gaps I need to fill? The 5-minute we already got tapped into though. Give us some time to play out. We tapped into that fair value gap. We might, you know, we're looking at inverse. Then we also have a SMT, so we're looking at. That's, you know, my confluence. Looking to take out these lows. There we go. Crazy odd trade. Obviously we had the SMT, and this is my entry. As you can see, we ended just for value gap a little bit, then we swept out, and then we went even lower. So it's kind of what I'm learning right now. We have SMTs, and obviously we inverse fair value gaps, so it's kind of obvious. But that's it for day 88. I don't want to go just sit here and bore you guys. I'm trying to listen to some music also. I might even go to bed right now because it is 10:30, and I'm trying to low-key wake up a little earlier tomorrow. So that's it for today, boys. I will see you boys tomorrow. Everybody have an amazing night, and I hope everybody has a great trading week. And they're up.